Yeah. If you talk to me, baby, then talk to me nice. Me and the dogs, you slime tonight. Talking to hoes, I'm way too polite. I gotta put some gas in my.
Alright, y'all, so we about to get up in the hood or the engine bay, and we about to switch out this downpipe. Hopefully it don't take too long, but we gonna see. So here you have it. Don't mind my ghetto around though. You seen all the downpipe videos. Boom, get this out the way. Get the airbox out the way. And the DP is down there. So we about to get to it right now. Let's get it. Got the old one out. Got the new one in. We did it, yo. Everything's in. Just gotta connect the O2s. Just got done with the V-band. Then we just put back in the airbox and put the engine cover back in. Cats are for pets. As you see, man, catless lifestyle now. No GoPro on me today, man. iPhone vibes. Oh, that was a nice Camaro. Turbo spool is crazy, bro. I'm not gonna lie. Alright, we're back. This is the setup I have. Dual resonator delete, catless downpipe, in performance muffler. This shit sounds amazing. And I'm here to show you that. That's what's going on. No GoPro, like I said, bro. Just straight iPhone vibes. I'm in manual mode too. The catless is fire, and I'm glad that I invested into this shit, man. You guys can't hear, but the turbo spool is OD. D. Hold on, we got a little Benz action behind us. I'll be back. They ain't really want smoke. Little fifth gear pull. Yeah, I gotta get the tune, man. The sound is like, it's fire, but the sound is inconsistent. You feel me?
I'm smoking that weed.